In this video, we're going to look at how to apply a bandage to a lesion in the metacarpal area of a dog. This type of bandage can be used to help heal a wound, bring swelling down, or even treat fractures of the metacarpi, providing there's a splint added to the bandage. Let's look at how to create this bandage. I find that this is probably one of the easiest bandages to create. So I start with the cast padding slightly above the toes, and I'm going to come around and cradle the lateral toe right there and then pick up the medial toe, leaving my two central digits exposed for future monitoring. I'm heading back up the limb, and because I'm dealing with a metacarpal lesion, I want to make sure that the bandage goes above the carpus. This is the key to having the lesion properly covered and the bandage staying on. So I'm just above the carpus and stop there. Now I am applying my Kling or compressive layer, and much in the same manner as I did with the padding layer. This is where I'm going to compress the padding so I can give the bandage some structure. Again, all the way up above the carpus, and that's where I'm going to stop. Now I've left a bit of my cast padding corner sticking out. I try not to let the cast padding end at the top or the bottom because the corners tend to stick out, and then the dogs just pick at any cast padding that likes to stick out. I came all the way back down, and I really could have just cut the Kling there, but I opted to finish the roll. If you're going to place a splint, this is where you place it. It's after the compressive and before the protective layer. And we're going to finish off with the vet wrap or protective layer, and this layer is meant to do just that, protect the bandage. So the goal is to cover all of the bandage with the vet wrap. I like to start it the same way I start all the other layers, and then I'm going to make my way back up. I have a video on YouTube called Applying a Better Bandage. Please watch that video to get the details on exactly how to apply each layer properly. And why we use the layers in the order that we do. Once you're done with the vet wrap layer, it is wise to apply some white bandage tape to the top and bottom of your bandage. It just is there to prevent the cotton from sticking out, so cover any of the white bandage material, because the dogs seem to love to pick at any white material that is sticking out from these bandages. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.